May 16th, 1999. I was born. Hi, I'm Zack Woosley, and this is my last lecture. Growing up when I was younger was pretty fun, but my life would have never been the same. If it wasn't for my biggest supporter, my best friend, my mom. See, my mom had me at a really young age, so we both kind of grew up together, learning about this crazy world that we live in. And even though she had me so young, my mom was the strongest person I've ever known. She was only 17 when she moved out to live on her own. And at 19, while trying to still finish school, she had me, and still finished school. She has also shown me so much about how independent I need to be successful in life. I couldn't imagine what my life would have been like without her. She is always there for me, even when I'm at my lowest lows, and cheers the loudest for me when I'm at my highest highs. No one has ever understood me more than my mom. She has taught me so much about myself and how strong I can be, no matter what life throws at me. She's also taught me that no matter how far apart we are, I'll never be alone. I couldn't thank my mom enough for all she has done for me in my lifetime. Now, the next person that has changed my life is one of my 7 sisters, Cadence. Cadence is very special to me because she almost wasn't in my life at all. You see, her umbilical cord was wrapped around her neck multiple times, and the doctor said she probably wouldn't make it. This happening showed me how important my family is to me and how precious life can be. But since then, Cadence is like my other half and my rock. Even though she's only 10, I tell her everything going on in my life. And whenever I'm down, she's the first one that cheer me up and make me forget all about the stress in my life. Even though we fight, and we always will, I couldn't ask for another sister just like her. She's my little princess and my best friend. Now is the biggest reason that I have changed so much over my years of high school, and that is Sergeant Campbell and the JRC program. And that everyone in that program is my best friend. I would do the world for them. The program gave me so many brothers and sisters, and I'm so lucky to have all of them because I don't know where I'd be without them. But Sergeant Campbell has pushed me so hard to be the best me I can be. I couldn't thank him enough for what he's done for me in my life. I made so many friendships in this program, but the biggest two have been Dallas Arnold and Jacob Denton. If it wasn't for them, these last 4 years of high school would have never been the same. They have both pushed me to fight and be strong because of how competitive we are, and while each other have seen each other grow so much in these last 4 years. I still don't know what I'm going to do without them in my life. I've grown up with them for 4 years, and I couldn't be more grateful for what they have done for me and how much they've changed me for the better. Thank you so much for listening.